Hey, what's going on? What's going on, YouTube? Well, let's get to it. My computer, this laptop is so daggone crazy. It is definitely time for an upgrade and all of that good stuff. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. Most definitely make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel to basically, stay up to date with the next latest video and everything. Definitely creating content one step at a time. Now, disclaimer, of course, make sure that you check the description below always for the disclaimers. Yes. Now, let's get right into it. Reselling ebooks. You're going to basically see what you get. Digital products are so lucrative as well because there is no inventory that you're basically keeping because it's a digital product. There's no shipping or anything like that to do. This is something that a person buys one time and they will have access to this for a lifetime because it's sent directly to the person's email, long as your email is correct. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. Now, this will be a 400,000 digital product ebook library that will have audiobooks, videos, that has a huge collection for each niche with reseller white. With reseller rights. Excuse me. I get so tongue twisted. Now, when you make your purchase, of course, you will see this information as well. When you make your purchase, all sales are final. There is no refund. Why? Because this is a digital product that you're able to download once you make your purchase. This is non-refundable. Now, if you're looking to build an online business, sell digital products quickly and easy, then this huge library containing over 400,000 ebooks, audiobooks, and videos is definitely the perfect resource just for you. You will definitely have a wide range of a lot of material to basically use to your advantage. Now, what's all in this ebook? Affiliate marketing, blogging, business, computer, crafts, email, fashion and beauty, health, internet, language learning. Also, love and relationships, meditation, parenting, PLR and print on demand, self help, social media, traffic, video marketing, writing, and so much more. This bundle will also include reseller rights so that you can start reselling your own digital product, creating content, and basically being able to use this right away. You can create different bundles if you would like to. You can, of course, do the whole thing together. You can separate whatever you want to basically separate. You can most likely probably give one product away for free to your audience, customers, or whomever, just to basically, say, hey, here's a free gift. But also, you can still resell the entire thing. You can rebrand this to your liking. You can use Canva. You might have another source that you like to use, but I like to use Canva so that you're able to rebrand any of these ebooks, like I stated, to your liking. You can basically, add a cover for the ebook. You can add your picture. You can introduce yourself. You can add something at the end of the ebook, basically. So you're pretty much rebranding just the cover photo. You can add a page like an introduction for yourself. Then you can add your last page just saying thank you for reading this ebook, so on and so forth. You can probably add like your social media or something. So you're basically rebranding everything to your own liking. So that way, guess what? It's yours to do as you basically please. I like to use PayHip. And you might like to use, I get so tongue twisted. I like to use PayHip. You might like to use another different source to where you can sell your ebooks on your digital products. So PayHip is basically free. It has a 5% transaction. So whatever you make, they're taking 5% of that. Like if you sell a product for 50, they're taking 5% of that. If you're doing a product for 100, they're taking 5% of that because it's a free, digital product website itself to where, hey, why, hey, they can get definitely a transaction from that. So that's free. They also have one that's called Stand Store. That has a free trial, but also a monthly fee to it. So find a way to go ahead and sell your digital products and definitely be able to earn an extra income. Make sure, yes, that you click the link below so you can go ahead and get your digital product library. Make sure that you do that. If you have PayPal, boom, you can go ahead and make your purchase. So worldwide, you got PayPal. Hey, go ahead, make your purchase, resell it, rebrand it to your liking, make you some extra money. Digital products, so easy to access. Guess what? You got this 400,000 digital product library for a lifetime. So make sure that you follow me on social media, get in contact with me on social media as well too. You can leave a comment below. Click the link below in the description to get your digital product library today. Talk to you guys later. Have a blessed and awesome day. Toodles.